Parang nung sa start, in-experiment muna kung anong okay.
Enjoy naman kami sa ginagawa namin.
Matunog ang pangalan ngayon ni Elmo Magalona, anak ng yumaong master rapper na si Francis Magalona. Sunod-sunod ang projects nito sa Kapuso Network na marahil ay isa sa dahilan para ihinto muna nito ang kanyang pag-aaral. Pero kamakailan sa QTV program na Tweet Biz, nabalitang gusto na rin mag-quit agad sa showbiz ng binatilyo.
Hindi naman, sabi ko lang doon, pag yung may time na ako mag-aral, edi try ko mag-start mag-enroll. Pero as of now, parang sinusulat ko naman yung time na ginagawa ko dito for GMA, gano'n.
Mainit din ang pagtanggap ng mga fans sa Party Pilipinas tandem ni na Elmo at Julian San Jose. Katunayan, meron ng 3 Facebook fan page na ginawa mismo ng mga fans para sa kanila.
Julian Mo. Julian Mo. Binanggit din sa radio show. Aware naman. Ako, aware ako.
Aware naman po kami. Aware naman kami doon.
Sa akin, parang nung sa start, in-experiment muna kung anong okay i-going prod para sa amin. Tapos, parang nag-click yung tandem.
Ayun, nag-enjoy naman kami sa ginagawa namin. And it's also for the benefit of the fans na nanonood po sa amin.
Ano nga ba ang tingin nila sa isa't isa?
Parang good performer kasi marami rin siyang kayang gagawin sa Party Pilipinas. Nag-piano siya.
Nakikita ko sa kanya si Francis M. Which is, who is idol ko. Idol ko rin po talaga siya. Ayun, so, napaka-talented po niya. Pero, tahimik lang po siya eh.
Samantala, may balitang magsasama sina Elmo at Kylie Padilla sa isang bagong soap.
Pag-uusapan pa ata. Kasi ako rin, hindi ko rin alam yun. Nagulat lang po ako nun. Pero kung meron, okay lang.
Ikaw, okay lang ba na ipahiga mo siya kay Kylie?
Naku, okay lang naman po. Kasi hindi naman po talaga kami kumbaga hindi lang po kami love team. Kasi, yun po, madalas lang po kami nagkakasama sa prod. Ayun po, baka ina-expect po ng mga tao sa Party P na, na kami dalawa po yung magkasama kasi tandem nga po kami. So, yun. Okay lang po. No problem. Huwag na wag niyo pong kakalimutang manood ng Party Pilipinas every Sunday, 12:30 p.m. po. Only at GMA 7.
And it's our pleasure to have with us the star of Kill Bill, Michael Madsen, and of course, actor, writer, and director, and my old buddy, Ace Cruz. Good afternoon, Michael. Aside from Kill Bill, you appeared in what other films?
I'm here with Ace in Manila for the premiere of Outrage, the picture we did together.
But you also did Free Willy, right?
I was the dad in Free Willy 1 and Free Willy 2, that's right, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
The only time I ever played a nice guy.
Okay. Was he a nice guy on the set?
Well, on the set he was, but on the film, he plays a bad guy, like he's really good in doing.
Okay, so can you invite the Filipinos to watch Outrage?
Please go to see Outrage. It's going to have a premiere tonight. And how long is it playing for?
Well, we don't have the final theatrical date yet, but we'll be finding out by today when that's going to be because for the SM Cinema. But it's being presented by Gourmet Coffee at SM Mega Mall tonight, so try to be there.
And you have a red carpet.
I want to thank you guys for getting us in because we came in at the last minute and you snuck us in so we could talk about the picture. Thanks for that.
Well, it's our pleasure that you're here, but you do have a red carpet premiere.
Yeah, we got to get going. We're going to be late.
Yes. Okay. Again, it's good to see you and good to have you with us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. At magbabalik po ang start of Salamat Dr. Vicky Bello.
Totally exciting! Michelle Van Aymeren, may pahayag ukol sa napipintong kasal ng dating asawa si Ogie Alcacid kay Regine Velasquez.
Siyempre, wedding nila yun eh. So, para meron akong respeto sa kanila.
Startup PX!
Sa